Now I will show you how to Facebook video download. If you don't know, please watch my video. You will learn how to Facebook video download. So this is my channel. Welcome in my channel. If you like my channel, please click on bell button and subscribe my channel. No more talk, we can start Facebook video download. So first go to Facebook video site like this. Was here Facebook video, look this one.
আরে ফুলঝুরি শোন না কাছে আয় না বলছিল
This one. The first click this video URL, like click left mouse button and copy video URL at current time. Okay, now copy is done. Then you open a new tab, then search in Google search box FB video downloader. Look, fbdown.net. This is link. Just open link a new tab, then go here, see enter Facebook video link. Just paste here, then click on download button. This on processing. Okay, click here, more option you can here. Force download HD. So I need HD quality cause I want best quality video. That's why I am clicking here. Now see here 3 dot icon. Click on 3 dot icon, then will open a pop-up box. There is two options, picture in picture and download. So I want download, that's why I click on download option. Now video is downloading. Look, will take 2 minutes. So no way. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, now done. Click here, show in folder, then you will see here play a media player. I am playing Windows Media Player. Look,
তাহলে হেভি যন্ত্রণা হচ্ছে আমার ভালো এগুলো নগদ 20 লক্ষ নিয়ে গেলি কি করবো বলো মাসি বাইরে বেরোনোর পর
look. Now okay. This is the easy way to download Facebook video. I hope you enjoy in this video. If you like my video, please click on like button and wait for next video tutorial.